I'm Scott Sander. There's new progress on crime fighting in Indianapolis the same night that violence once again plagues the city. A city-county council committee has moved forward the part of the mayor's budget plan that adds tens of millions of dollars specifically toward public safety and help for the police department. That said, last night there was a deadly shooting. Northeast side left one man dead. Harrowing scene in northwest Indiana where a police chase ends when the car leading it slams into a bus and knocks the bus on its side. There were no students on board as it turned out, but the driver and an adult assistant were both hurt. Authorities say they will recover from those injuries. The driver who was leading the chase and 3 passengers turned out to already be wanted, and now they face several more charges.
Hi, I'm Kylie Conway. This weekend, Westfield will add the name of the fallen Marine who was killed in the Afghanistan attack to a permanent memorial. Corporal Sanchez will have his name added to the Fallen Hoosier Heroes Memorial there in Westfield. The dedication ceremony is set for 3 o'clock Saturday afternoon there in Westfield. Also this morning, we are learning more about a shooting at a Texas high school. This was at a high school in between Fort Worth and Dallas in a place called Timberview. What we've learned is 3 people were sent to the hospital, 2 of them who had been shot. Then there was a 4th person, a teenage girl who was grazed by a bullet. She never went to the hospital. What we know is that police say that there was some sort of fight that happened before the shots rang out, and an 18-year-old has been arrested for the shooting.
Hi, I'm Drew Blair. The state of Texas is ordered to suspend its new abortion law. A federal judge decided the law is a deprivation of women's constitutional rights. It essentially bans abortions after about the 6-week mark of pregnancy. The law went into effect on September 1st. The state's attorney general says he will appeal the decision. The order is the first legal blow to the law. Both the region's appellate court and the U.S. Supreme Court had previously allowed the law to stand. Congress moves closer to dealing with the debt ceiling crisis. Democrats are signaling that they are open to the suggestion from Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell to temporarily lift the limit and head off default. It would set a new deadline in December. McConnell is standing firm on his insistence that Democrats eventually handle the issue on their own through the reconciliation process rather than standard congressional means. The White House says the president still wants a long-term solution to the debt ceiling. The Treasury Secretary says the deadline for some kind of agreement is October 18th before the government defaults on debts.